Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox the DJI Multifunctional battery case. This case I did buy off of Amazon. Now it does not normally come with batteries unless you buy it with the Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. It does have the ability to store 3 batteries and 2 micro data chips. So if you see one there, I don't have the second one in yet, but it goes right there. So that's pretty cool. So it's a carrying case for micro SD cards and 3 batteries. Now, this thing is misclassified as a battery bank for the batteries. That's not really true. When these are dead, they're dead. This case does not charge those batteries. What they are referring to is if you have a Type C to Type C cable and you plug it into a device, it will charge your device. So it is a battery pack as well. But do not, again, please do not confuse that this case charges batteries independently. It does not. It just turns this into an external battery charger. Now when you do plug in to the USB port to charge these, they actually charge by the most charged to the least charged. So you can get up and running as quickly as you can. And of course you can also just push that button to see if they're charged. It's green when they're fully charged, yellow when they're not quite charged or they're charging, and red when they're completely dead. This does work with batteries on Osmo Action 3 and 4. And best of all, it does accept fast charging. In fact, it turns the batteries of this case actually is a fast charger. Now we do have all the batteries in here, as you see. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in. There is a Type C there. Going to go ahead and plug it in. Just flip it over where we see the lights. And they went from yellow to gold. As they do charge up, they do start turning green. And this one needs a little more charge. Now, as always, we do highly suggest that you buy these locally. If you cannot, Amazon's just as good. That's where I got mine. And that about does it for the DJI Multifunctional battery case. And as always, have a great day.